Unlike before that you really need cable. If it didn't change, so maybe we still have wrestling on a daily basis, on a weekly basis on the TV. But since digiboxes are now the norm, everything changed. Yan, sabi niya, Miss Shart, salamat. Honestly, we pay to watch it, so I understand. Yeah. So maybe if they can come up with maybe they can do that, right? Maybe they can but I don't think they won't. You know why? Because YouTube is kind of greedy. Maybe they can do that premium, right? But I think they will do that on other platforms rather than YouTube. So you can watch also. Like Netflix and whatnot. Yan. Margie Malaya, Madam Marge, ano na? Good evening about English. Siyempre. Of course. Why not? How much is your name? Like 70. Banatan mo. Madam Leila, shout out. Ayan. Because from time to time we have to practice speaking in Carabao English so that I can speak to my Carabao friends. You understand? Ayan, Madam Leila, salamat. I miss my Carabao friends. So I can practice my Carabao English. Hi, ayan sabi niya. Kasi nakakanood sila Idol Sheena, live sa kanila live. Talagang nandun sila doon sa ringside. Exciting yun. Imagine, no? Imagine you on the ringside and then a wrestler was thrown near you. How exciting, di ba? Di ba, Claire? Can you describe the feeling if you're in the ringside and then let's say Randy Orton was thrown beside you or to you, thrown by The Rock? Di ba? It's not a needed thing yeah. But that's why I just get yung updated YouTube. Some people post it also that they cannot really post the whole one. They cannot really post. I think they got CPR right away or it's taken down. Maybe that's why. I only see short clips also. Short clips of that of WWE. I haven't seen a video that is kinda long. Yun nga, parang kasi siya yung that's why I miss the first time. Anyway, it's still good. It's still good, 'di ba? Good pa rin naman siya. Kaso nga much drama kasi ngayon, 'di ba, Claire? It's much more drama than before. Many talking, tapos parang pero still naman siya. Entertaining still. That's the naman. Parang nga it's been also fun when Mac Mahon used to wrestle also. Do you remember that one? The first time he wrestled also with other wrestlers. Remember she has a daughter and it's the first time he gonna wrestle also. The owner. It was before. I don't know if he still does that now. Leila. Wala, tinatawag ako ng pusa ako. Ang pusa. Okay, mamaya ka na. Later. Malaya talaga apelido mo, Madam Margie. Akala ko ka na, nakatali ka na. Malaya ka pala eh. Ayan. Sabi niya, Ba't may highlight ka? May highlight ako? But why do I have highlight?